Hello, teacher.
Hello, Ivan. Good evening. Is my voice clear?
Yes, but I am
Oh,
trying to start my video.
it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's because I am worried if you cannot hear me clearly because I'm in the outside. All right, with my family. We are on the beach. So, if there's no problem with my voice and with the internet, then I can have class with you. All right. So, Ivan, are you now ready to take or to do the task for this evening?
Yes.
Ready? Okay. So today, Ivan, is we are going to do reading and writing. All right. So here it is. Wait me for a few seconds. I'm going to share the screen with you so we can start with our activity. All right. So we have here English test 1, which is reading and writing test 2. Okay. So we have here the following. Before we start with our activity, let's read and understand first the vocabulary words. What's the first word, Ivan?
Available that you can
Available.
get by on five.
All right. Do you understand what's the meaning of available? You know this? Do you understand the
Yes.
word? Good. All right. Next, Ivan, what's the next word we have here is the
Windsurfing.
uh, it's
Windsurfing.
windsurfing. All right. So in the picture, Ivan, that is an example of a windsurfing. Next, how about the third one? What's the third one we have here is the
Funfair.
fun fair. Okay, the second picture is an example of a fun fair. So people often go to that place to have fun. Okay, there are so many rides and other activities for you to do. Next, Ivan, is the fourth word we have here is the, what is that?
Reserve.
Reserve. What's the meaning of reserve?
Ask for a seat, table, room to be available for you or someone else at the future time.
Okay, do you understand what available means?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Next, Ivan, we have here is the, what's this?
Slow.
Shallow again.
Hello.
Okay,
Not
shallow means,
having much distance between the top or surface and the bottom. What is
okay,
shallow? Teacher?
shallow is not having a distance between, not so deep. You know what's deep? If I say the water is deep, it's very high. If you say shallow, it's not so deep. For example, if you ride a boat, the water in the boat is deep. So the opposite of deep is shallow, meaning not
Yeah.
so deep. Next, how about the next word we have here is the
Sculpture. Sculpture.
sculpture. Very good.
Work
What's the
of
meaning of
art that is a solid figure or object made by carving or shaping wood, stone,
shaping
clay,
wood?
metal.
Okay, do you know what is sculpture all about?
Yes.
Good. Okay, so in the picture, Ivan is an example of a sculpture. You can make a statue or anything out of wood or other materials. Next, what's the next word we have here is the
Attention. The art
attention.
of listening to, looking at, or thinking about something, somebody carefully.
Okay, attention. You understand what attention means?
Yes.
Okay. And we have here next word is
Passerby. A person
passerby.
going past somebody, something by chance.
Okay, you understand?
Yes.
Passerby. Okay, and last one we have here is
Um, corridor.
corridor.
A corridor. A long, narrow in a
Passage.
building, passes in a building with doors that open into rooms on either side.
Okay, if you pass through a building, inside a building, and there are so many rooms at the side, what you pass through is what we call corridor. It's a way going to another place. Look at here, Ivan. That is an example of a corridor in a hotel. You can see it's a
Yeah.
straight way, but on the other side, at both sides, there are rooms. Okay, so here let's do part 1, questions 1 to 5. Look at the text in each question. What does it say? So mark the correct letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. For example, lost floppy disk, lost on Tuesday. It contains important schoolwork handed to the office. The correct answer here is, if you have found a floppy disk, please leave it at the office. Okay? The meaning, you're just going to find the meaning, another meaning of the given text. Okay? So go, Ivan. Please encircle the letter of the correct answer.
Con đang học ạ. I'm done.
Okay, Ivan, please read the text, number 1, and tell me your and number 2 after.
1. Mr. Wright's English lesson today will be in room 24D beside the language laboratory. He's off sick, so use the lesson to revise for the test. Bring your workbooks. I choose A. The English class must take their workbooks to the language laboratory. 2. Trip to New York. Application forms will be available from the school office from the 1st of November. I choose B. The earliest that students can pick up their application forms is the 1st of November.
Okay, let's check. So Mr. Wright's English lesson today will be in room 24D. Beside the language laboratory, he's off sick. So use the lesson to revise the test, bring your workbook. So another word or another uh sentence to be used in this context is letter C. It's the usual English teacher cannot attend school's day lesson. That's why there are activities to do, to revise. There are activities to do since a teacher is not present on that day. Number 2, trip to New York. Application forms will be available from the school office from the 1st of November. The answer is correct. Letter B. The earliest the students can pick up their application forms is 1st November. Very good, Ivan. Number 2, you did great. You are correct. Next, Ivan, let's do another number. Okay, Ivan, please answer number 3 and go.
I'm done. Number
Okay.
3, having a great holiday. Went windsurfing today after playing beach volleyball. Stopped for a barbecue on the way to the fun fair yesterday. See you soon, Louis. I choose B. Louis played beach volleyball before he went windsurfing. 4. Jungle Cafe. Sorry, tables at the front of the cafe are reserved for a birthday party. A. Don't sit at the front of the cafe unless you are attending the party.
Okay, let's check number 3. Having a great holiday. Went windsurfing today after playing beach volleyball. Stopped for a barbecue on the way to the fun fair yesterday. See you soon. The answer there is the nearest sentence which gives the same meaning to the text is very good. Letter B. Luis played beach volleyball before he went windsurfing. Number 4. Jungle Cafe, sorry. Tables at the front of the cafe are reserved for a birthday party. The correct answer, Ivan, is oh, very good again. Don't sit at the front of the cafe unless you're attending party. Perfectly answered. No, 3 and 4 are all correct. Okay, so Ivan, let's do number 5. Please write your answer.
And then
Okay, please read.
5. From Mary to Sylvian. Subject Science textbook. Thanks for lending me that biology book. I'm glad you got it back okay. You can borrow my chemistry one and return it next week if you want. I choose A. Mary is offering to lend Sylvian a book.
Okay, let's check. So we have here from Marie to Sylvian. Subject is science textbook. So thank you for lending me that biology book. I'm glad you got it back, okay? You can borrow my chemistry one and return it next week if you want. So the nearest meaning or text, the meaning of this is, oh, very good. Marie is offering to lend Sylvian a book. Ah, very good, Ivan. In the first part, you've got one mistake. You got 4 out of 5 correct answers. Not bad. That's great to hear. Okay, so Ivan, let's do part 2. Here in the part 2, this is questions number 6 to 10. The young people below all want to find a swimming club they can join. On the opposite page, there are descriptions of 8 swimming clubs. Decide which club would be the most suitable to the following people, okay? So you're going to mark these letters, okay? So just write the letters below each sentences, Ivan, for your answer. Are you done, Ivan?
Yes, but I am checking my work.
Okay. Just tell me when you're done. Oh, wait me. Ivan, we will check this one after you enter the next Zoom. Okay, wait me. I will take picture of your answer, so I'll just let's check it after, okay? All right, Ivan, you enter again to the Zoom class because my Zoom is about to close. Don't worry with your answers, it will just come back.